In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to snag Ahrefs, the powerful marketing intelligence tool, at a significantly reduced price. Ahrefs is known for its exhaustive data capabilities, which can empower your SEO, marketing, and content strategies. However, its pricing can sometimes stretch budgets a bit thin. That's why we're diving into a method that could save you some dollars while still unleashing the full potential of Ahrefs. Let's start our journey to savings by opening up Google, the gateway to all searches and the first step in our adventure. Once you've arrived at Google's homepage, simply type Ahrefs into the search bar. This is where the magic begins. You'll see a plethora of results, but what we're after isn't buried too deep. Look for the official Ahrefs website in the search results. It's usually one of the first few links, but if it's not at the top, it won't be hard to find. Clicking on this link is like opening a door to a room packed with opportunities for your website's growth. Upon entering the Ahrefs website, navigate your eyes toward the intriguing pricing option. It's typically located right at the top menu, a beacon for the next step in our journey. Once you click on pricing, you'll be transported to a page where Ahrefs proudly displays its various subscription options. Here's where you need to be a bit more attentive. The page will likely dazzle you with a range of pricing plans, but your focus should be on the golden opportunity of the year. Choosing to pay annually, Ahrefs sweetens the deal for those who commit long-term by offering 2 months free. It's an enticing proposal, considering the depth of insights and the breadth of data Ahrefs provides. However, if the direct route isn't to your liking, or if you're feeling particularly thrifty, take a moment to survey the landscape. Often there are other hidden discounts or promotions lurking on the page. It might be a seasonal offer or a special promotion, so it pays to have a keen eye. Saving on Ahrefs doesn't mean skimping on features, it's about smart navigation and decision making. To recap, the journey to unlocking Ahrefs at a lower price begins with a simple search on Google, followed by pinpoint navigation on the Ahrefs website. Once there, the pricing section becomes your playground, where you can choose the annual payment option for a slick discount or scout for other available promotions. Remember, the goal here isn't just to save money, but to make an investment that powers up your online presence. Ahrefs is a tool that can provide incredible insights into your website's performance, help you understand your competitors, and fine-tune your content and SEO strategies. Here are a few pro tips to make your Ahrefs journey even more rewarding. 1. Take advantage of trials. If Ahrefs offers a trial period, don't hesitate to use it. It's a fantastic way to familiarize yourself with the platform and truly understand its value before making a financial commitment. 2. Educate yourself. Ahrefs is much more than just a tracking tool. It's a complex platform packed with features. Spend some time with their tutorials and blog posts to make sure you're squeezing every bit of value out of your subscription. 3. Evaluate your needs. Before diving into a subscription, assess what your exact needs are. Ahrefs offers different plans that cater to varied requirements, so choosing the one that fits your situation can lead to savings right out of the gate. Securing Ahrefs at a budget-friendly price is all about knowing where to look and making informed decisions. The power of Ahrefs isn't just in the data it provides, but in how you leverage that data to drive results. By following the steps outlined today, you're well on your way to enjoying all the benefits of Ahrefs without overstretching your budget. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a content creator, or part of a large marketing team, Ahrefs is a tool that can scale with your ambitions. So, get out there, explore the options, and take your digital presence to new heights. Happy optimizing.